So, this is the presentation. This is my presentation on the elements of research paper and its presentation. So, presentation is over. Now, I would like to just summarize this presentation. I would like to take the review of the presentation. So, first thing is that this is the elements of research paper. There are various elements of research paper. So, first one, title of the research paper. Title of our research paper should be simple, should be brief. It should capture the attention of the researchers or the readers. Abstract. Now second one is abstract. अपना abstract कैसे होना चाहिए, आपला abstract कसा असायला पाहिजे. So some people they write the abstract of your research paper before the research article, research paper, but we should write the research abstract of the paper, abstract of research paper at the end of the research paper. It should be 10%. It should be in brief manner. It should be 10%, and this is the summary. It should be summary of research paper, and in this summary we should mention the title of research paper, we should mention the objectives of research paper, we should mention the hypothesis of the research paper, we should mention the results of the research paper, and we should mention the conclusions of the research paper. Now third element is introduction. So introduction, it will attract the attention of the research paper, attract attention of the researchers to read out the research paper. It shows background. It is the background. Introduction is the background, and it should be in a brief manner. Okay, now review of literature. So literature review, it is nothing but this is the sources, scholarly sources of the past literature on the same topic which we have been conducting. So our review of literature should be in brief manner. It should include the researcher's name, date of publication, paper title, name of journal, and the objectives, few objectives. Now next factor is research methodology. Research methodology is the core part, is the major part of the research paper, research work. रिसर्च मेथॉडॉलॉजी हा आपला रिसर्च पेपरचा सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा भाग आहे, जो की काही कंटेंट्स या ठिकाणी कवर करतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल कव्हरेज म्हणजे कोणता रिसर्च एरिया आपला कोणता असेल, डेटा सोर्सेस है ना, डेटा सोर्सेस म्हणजे प्रायमरी डेटा असेल का सेकंडरी, व्हाट आर द डेटा सोर्सेस, वेदर द डेटा इज प्रायमरी और वेदर द डेटा इज सेकंडरी. नाउ डेटा कलेक्शन. So which method we are going to use to collect the data, so we should mention that, and percentage sample of the respondents out of the total respondents. Research data, how we should present the research data कैसे होना चाहिए, और वो रेफरेंस उसका हर एक इसका रेफरेंस देना चाहिए. रिसर्च डेटा. Now presentation of data. So we should present our data, we should represent our data either in tabular form or graph. एकतर आपला जो डेटा असतो हा एकतर टॅब्युलर फॉर्ममध्ये किंवा ग्राफमध्ये द्यायला पाहिजे. डेटा ॲनालिसिस हा एकदम थोडक्यात ब्रीफमध्ये सिम्पल आणि शेवटी कन्क्लुजन असायला पाहिजे. त्यानंतर कन्क्लुजन, आपलं पेपरचं कन्क्लुजन कसं असायला पाहिजे. आपल्या पेपरचं कन्क्लुजनमध्ये आपण जे मेन अचिव्हमेंट आहेत पेपरच्या रिसर्च वर्कच्या त्या मेन्शन करायला पाहिजे. वी शूड मेन्शन द मेन अचिव्हमेंट्स ऑफ आवर वर्क. वी शूड ऑल्सो डिस्क्राईब द सम ऑब्झर्वेशन्स ऑफ आवर वर्क, फ्यू ॲक्च्युअल प्रॉब्लेम्स ऑफ वर्क, सम न्यू क्वेश्चन्स अँड फ्युचर स्कोप फॉर दी, as well as we should focus on the what should develop or what policy should develop by the policy makers regarding this for work, regarding this research question. References, there are three styles of references: APA style, Chicago style, MLS style. So in India APA style is very famous. Now next one. So now the presentation of the research paper. What techniques you can use the presentation. Introduction, how you can introduce your topic. You can introduce your topic in a very systematic manner. attractive manner, interesting manner, with energy. Body, जो मेन बॉडी है, व्हाट द मेन बॉडी ऑफ द रिसर्चर और presentation, you should that focus on main body, present your main body as in points, research points. You should give proper examples, as well as you should also focus on main body of your presentation with interest. You should present your main body with confidence. Conclusion. So your conclusion, yeah, the conclusion. So while concluding your research work, your presentation, you should that summarize your work, summarize your presentation, and you should mention that what was my aim, what was my objective, and you should thank audience, you should thank organizing, and you should ask for questions. Pay attention. So you should pay attention on your language. Our language should be simple. Our language should be as usual, but we use our language in daily practice. You should not focus on the different pronunciations. You should not use the unusual pronunciation. It should be simple. Okay. Now you should make the interaction with audience. This is not a one way. Your presentation should not be one way presentation. You should interact with your audience. You should open up for the question. You should ask some questions, and if they ask some questions, you should give the proper answer. You should try to give proper answer of your questions. Talk to your audience. Don't read your presentation. आपको आपका presentation क्या करना है, पढ़ना नहीं है. ऑडियंस के साथ बात करो, उनके साथ डिस्कस करो, प्रेजेंट करो, और आप ऑडियंस के साथ आपको क्या करना है, रेगुलर आई कांटेक्ट बनाए रखना है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, voice to communicate. So your voice is also very important input to communicate your with your audience while giving your presentation. So आपको बड़े आवाज़ में बोलना है. आपका बोलने का स्पीड कैसे होना चाहिए, स्लो होना चाहिए. आपका मॉड्यूलेशन होना चाहिए, आपकी आवाज़ में क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए. एंड स्लो डाउन फॉर की पॉइंट्स, यूज़ पॉजेज. और आपको क्या करना है, जो पॉइंट्स है, पॉइंट्स के टाइम पे दिस इज़ फर्स्ट, दिस इज़ सेकंड, this is third, like this. And use pauses. आपको that after completion of the first point, you should take some pause of 3-4 seconds before to start the next point. Use your body language. आपको आपका body language use करना है. अच्छे से कॉन्फिडेंटली स्ट्रेट खड़े रहो. मुंडी, अपना जो हेड है वो हेड अप ऐसे रखो. डोंट शो, और आपको जो आपका पीठ है वो ऑडियंस को नहीं दिखाना है. एंड दीज आर सम जनरल टेक्निक्स. या सो ऑर्गेनाइज योर मटेरियल कलेक्ट करो, उसको ब्रीफ ड्राफ्ट करो, आउटलाइन करो. समराइज योर ड्राफ्ट. आपका जो ड्राफ्ट है उसको 2-3 लाइन में समराइज़ करो, 2 लाइन 3 पॉइंट में समराइज़ करो. और आपने जो प्रेजेंटेशन बनाया है उसके लिए विजुअल एड्स, विजुअल एग्जाम्पल्स लाइक एज वीडियो, लाइक एज मैप, लाइक एज पिक्चर, कार्टून्स, कलर्स, टेबल्स एंड ग्राफ, ताकि आपका प्रेजेंटेशन अट्रैक्टिव बन जाए. और जो ऑडियंस है वो इसमें उनको मज़ा आता है, उनको देखने में. ये ऑडियंस वीडियो क्या है वो देखने में उनको मज़ा आता है, और दे कम्प्लीटली एंगेज इन दिस वीडियो और पिक्चर्स और कार्टून्स और समथिंग. And practice. Last technique is practice of your presentation, and practice to complete your presentation in time. Without practice, the presentation will not be success. If you practice, then your presentation will be success. So this is my presentation. And research delegates, if you have any question or any doubt, so feel free to contact me. So already in the first slide I have given my email address. You can write me, you can write your question, you can write your doubts, you can write your queries regarding my presentation, and you can write these questions and email me. So definitely your questions will improve my presentation, improve my skill of presentation, and it will help me. Lord us. Thank you.